let's see how the day goes. But make it a good one. I got some videos that need to be edited so I can post them, but I'll get to that. I just haven't been able to get to it this week, but I at least picked up the camera. I just haven't actually, I've transferred them over to my iPad. I just have to edit them on my iPad, and then I'm able to post them. So hopefully this weekend I get enough time to be able to do that, because also I want to make little boxes to ask people to help me with the wedding. And so yeah, hopefully I can get the stuff for the boxes Friday and actually make the boxes Friday. So let me tell you how I had to turn all the way back around because I forgot the stuff to clean. Tell me how. Just how do I do that? But that's okay. And my camera dying, which I am so upset about. But just found these glasses, so I'm going to be lazy and wear them while I'm driving. So we got everything here. Now for my favorite part. So all my packages came, so now I just have to make some designs. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm gonna get started with doing the designs. I am going to unbox the stuff that I had got and show y'all what that looked like as well. And look at Cole. He's the worst child. You know, it's always one. That's the one. Anyway, so yeah. So I'm gonna do the unboxing and then do the designs and show y'all how I do the designs
tomorrow.
Good morning. So today we have a full agenda. So I have a lot of stuff to do today. I don't have a cleaner today, which is good because I got a lot of other stuff I need to do. So I'm about to get ready to start cooking. I'm gonna do like a mini cook with me. I'm some cleaning to do, and not just in the house. And then I have homework that I need to do. So look at these. Hey kitties. But yeah, so y'all come with me to clean, cook, do homework, and let's see how the day goes. But make it a good one. Good, how are you? There she goes. So I'm doing my homework, but I got my Shein package, and so I was thinking though I'm gonna do a try on haul. I got some Shein stuff, or no, it's Shein. I think it's, I got some Shein stuff, cause Shein, you know what I'm saying? So I am going to do a try on haul. This is my clothes for my photo shoot. So I think I'm gonna open this up right now because I'm looking at it. Yeah. So I'm so excited. Yes. So I'm just going to clean up, and then I gotta get on my homework. So I'm gonna clean up the kitchen, the living room, make up the bed, and then while the clothes is washing, I'm just going to start on my homework. Halfway through, maybe like 1 o'clock, I'm gonna start the potatoes, and yeah, maybe not 1 o'clock, maybe like 3 o'clock I'll start the potatoes. I'll make some mashed potatoes to go with on the side of the food. And yeah, so that's gonna be my day.